is our toy. I will put my sleeper. Look at inside. Have a pillow. Look at the roof. Oh. Look at our money, water. Look at this. Oh, look at our roof. Look at our tambayan. Okay guys, let's go into tambayan and our sand. Wow,
That's a toy.
Yeah. And look at this. We can sit on it. Look at me. Ta-da! Look at this, my project. But it messed it up. Our jacket and our curtain, the window. Ta-da! Look at our trash can. And look at this. A swing. Ta-da! Swing. I can swing on it. Look at this. Bye-bye, guys.
Let's go inside the house.
Okay, let's go.
And you put their sleeper and mine.
Go inside.
I'm her best friend.
Yeah.
And I'm recorder here.
Oh, we can look outside, look.
And this. But it close outside.
Yeah, and we're best friends. Bye!
So guys,
What?
maglalaro lang kami muna dito sa bahay-bahayan namin. At dito kami nag-TikTok nung nakikita nyo na TikTok nung yung ganon. Pero hindi ko alam. Kasi, tinry namin mag-TikTok. Tsaka, ang comfortable dito. Kaso nga lang, mainit. Kaya may pamaypay kami.
And
This is
from
may-
Pocari.
Yeah. Ilalagay. Tapos may tubig kami. Tapos dito sa loob ng bag is money.
A lot
Tapos
of money.
notebook.
Like
At saka yung
100.
points ko. Parang 100 ka dyan. Tapos guys, pambili namin yung pagkain. So guys, may ulit tayo mag-usap. Kasi,
Or
higa
tomorrow.
kami dito.
Or tomorrow.
Oh, kasi higa kami dito. Tsaka lalaro kami.
Play!
So, ayun lang. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo.
Welcome in our channel, guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye!